Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to tune up your Dodge Ram 1500. First, let's talk about spark plugs. Replacing them is a crucial step for maintaining engine efficiency and fuel economy. You'll want to ensure the new plugs are properly gapped, typically around 0.040 inches, before installation. Tighten them carefully to 13 foot-pounds using a torque wrench to prevent damage and ensure a good seal. This simple task can significantly improve your truck's responsiveness. Next, we'll focus on your truck's filters. A clean engine air filter is vital for proper combustion, allowing your engine to breathe easily and perform at its best. Replacing it can lead to noticeable improvements in both power and fuel economy. Don't forget the fuel filter. It protects your fuel injectors from contaminants. Changing it regularly ensures a steady, clean fuel supply, which is essential for your engine's longevity and smooth operation. Now let's move to fluids. An oil and oil filter change is fundamental for engine health, protecting moving parts from wear and tear. Always use the manufacturer-recommended oil type and viscosity. Beyond the oil, take time to check all other essential fluid levels. This includes brake fluid, power steering fluid, and engine coolant. Ensuring these are at their proper levels helps maintain your truck's overall reliability and safety on the road. Finally, let's look at your belts and hoses. Visually inspect all drive belts for any signs of cracking, fraying, or excessive wear. A failing belt can lead to serious issues, so replace it if needed. Similarly, examine your radiator and heater hoses for any bulges, leaks, or hardening. These components are crucial for your cooling system. Addressing any issues here proactively can prevent unexpected breakdowns and keep your Ram running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.